In India, we know what matters, but when it comes to protection, there's a gap between what we know and what we do. While we trust gold and property, health protection ranks fifth. Even as a single hospital bill can wipe out years of savings, the numbers are striking. Most of us know we need protection, but few take action. Why? It's not just about money. It's about clarity and accessibility. Today, with HDFC Bank's SmartWealth, getting protected doesn't mean juggling paperwork or comparing jargon-heavy plans. Protection that speaks your language. No complexity, no endless forms, just protection you can understand. Getting started takes seconds, not days, because protecting what matters shouldn't be complicated. HDFC Bank's SmartWealth app, protection simplified.